All right, now in our series on logical functions, there is another important function we should cover, and that's the function called AND. Basically, for AND, this function will return the value true. It will be true if all of the arguments are true. So we're going to go into an example to understand this. Often, AND is used in conjunction with the function if. So I would encourage you, if you haven't taken a look at the video and tutorial on if, please do that first before going into the AND function here. So we're going to take a look at an example. Assuming you're a class parent or a club officer, and you have all the names of the students, plus their gender and the shirt size they need to order, we're going to now incorporate the AND and the if functions. So let's say in this case, there was a production error and the shirt manufacturing company comes back to you and says, unfortunately, given how popular female medium shirts are, we no longer are able to produce them. And so as a result, anyone who is a girl and ordered the medium-sized shirt will instead have to order the men's small. Oh, so what if we have so many students and so many different types of information? Rather than go one by one and making sure that every girl who ordered the size medium has to change to a men's small, we can introduce these two functions to flag all those who are women who ordered the medium-sized shirt. So how do we do that? So let's start with the function if and the gender is equal to F for female and the shirt size is equal to medium. If both these conditions are true, rather, if all these conditions are true, then your modified shirt size has to be a men's small. Otherwise, if that's not the case, then your modified shirt size is simply going to be your original shirt size. So just reference the cell C2. Okay, so what this tells us now, let's take a look at this one more time. The test says if both, because you're looking at the AND, if both the cells B2 is F, meaning if the student is female and if her shirt size is medium, then she will need to order a men's small. Otherwise, simply keep the shirt size as is. Okay, so the AND function states that all the arguments must be true in order for the test to be true. So, given in this particular example, we notice that yes, the gender is female, but the shirt size is small. We should expect the modified shirt size to simply be the original S. But now let's copy this formula and paste it down. And what you will discover is that for those, again, with a female specified in this category and shirt size M, you will have a modified shirt size that says men's small. So again, AND function will return true, will be true if all its arguments are true. And most often, you will find that the AND function is used in conjunction with the if function. We're going to cover the function OR today. Now, keep in mind, we've already learned the AND function and we learned the if function. The OR function is similar in that it states the OR function will return true if at least one argument is true. Keep in mind, remember, the AND function needs to be true if all arguments are true, or is only if at least one function is true. Similar to the AND function, the OR function is often used in conjunction with the if function. So if you don't have a good grasp of the if function, I'd encourage you to check out the video and tutorials on the if function first. All right then, let's delve into an example. Again, we have our class club data here, and we have the shirt size and the gender. Now, let's set the criteria that Coach L is responsible for collecting money from the girls. Also, Coach L is responsible for collecting money if the shirt size is small. So it's not the case that you have to be a girl with a small shirt size. It's either or. So you could be a guy with a small shirt and you would still need to give money to Coach L. Okay, so in this case, only one of the argument has to be true, not both. So we would use the or statement. Let's start off first with the if. If or the gender equals F, comma, shirt size equals small, return the value Coach L. Otherwise, Coach M is responsible for collecting that money. So if we evaluate this formula here, it states that if this condition is true, and what is that condition? That condition says if at least one of these is true. So in this case, both are true because B2 does equal to F and C2 equals S. So this test is now true. So the output should be Coach L. Okay, so if we copy this down, again, edit, copy, drag the range of cells that you want the formula to be in, edit, paste special formula. You will notice now that the formula filled in the outputs. Now let's take a look here. Let's take a look at line 12. Edward is a guy. But given that he did order a small shirt, Coach L still collects the money. Okay? But if we take a look at every single female here, you will notice that every female is associated with Coach L, and so again, this formula holds true. There you go, another example. Row 32, Nick, male, but given that he ordered a small shirt, again, the collection goes to Coach L. Okay, great. So, as a quick wrap up, the OR function will return true if at least one argument is true. This differs from the AND function, which requires all arguments to be true in order for the result to be true. Thanks so much. See you later.